In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a menu bar on your website. So we'll just go into Edit Site here. Here you can see an example of a stock menu bar. This one comes standard on this template. We have lots of other options you can choose from. If you go over to the menu bars page section here, you can see all the different styles. It's basically just a collection of links, icons, and sometimes images. Similar to your navigation bar, but just another way for users to reach pages on your website. So I'm just going to delete this one here. Go back over to my page sections, and I'll find one that I like. This one looks good here, so I'm just going to drag it onto the page. Maybe I want to switch this first link, change that to the About page. Change the link here to About Us. I could do an external website link or based on different categories. I'm going to change that icon, find one that's more appropriate. This one looks good here. Just hit Apply Changes. So now we have a link here to an About Us page. You can do the same thing with the other three. Change the icons, change the text. Once you're done, just hit Save. And publish. Now you can see we have a link to the About page. This one goes to the vehicle finder. We have so many options here, different amounts of items, very customizable. Whatever you drag on here is going to automatically style to whatever your color scheme is for your website. Just don't forget to save and publish when you're done.